So I recently got a question about a video I posted on stretching and deep breathing. And the question was, how do I breathe 360 degrees, or how do I diaphragm breathe? So the diaphragm is our major breathing muscle that sits kind of right here, 360 degrees, so all the way around from front to back. That's what that means. And when we take a deep breath in, it needs to descend and come down. So you should feel like your belly expand and your back expand all around that entire part of your body. Envision if you had like a can, we're going all the way around. So I'll give you a couple of cues. So the best and easiest way, I would say, if you haven't ever tried to diaphragm breathe, is to typically lay down, just because you're more relaxed. So here, I like to have people start by putting their hands on their belly, right where like your belly button is, and try to breathe deep into your hands. So I'm gonna kind of give you a practice through your nose. So you can kind of see that my belly expanded. You can't see my back, but I'm expanding kind of through the back and through the belly. What we really want to do is keep the chest quiet. So if you find that you're doing this and your belly isn't going anywhere, sometimes having a hand here can really help to quiet your upper chest and get your belly kind of moving a little bit more. So I'll try again. So in through the nose, out through the mouth, and it kind of looks like that. My name is Dr. Hayley Van Beek. Come and see me at Fuel Health and Wellness.